Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Mate 30 Pro, and today I'll show you how to reset the device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up the settings app, and from there go all the way down to System and Updates, and you'll find Reset. And at the bottom of the list you will have Reset Phones. Check that. It will give you a message that will remove your accounts, app data, settings, installed apps, music, photos, and basically all the files that you have put on the device. So once you're ready, you can tap on Reset Phone and then erase or reset phone again, and the process will begin. Now the process will take around several minutes, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.